Check for leaks by running focused flush and visual tests immediately after installing the toilet. Start by tightening and inspecting the water supply connection at the shutoff valve and again at the tank inlet, using a clean paper towel to detect moisture around threads and compression fittings, and reseating or replacing the supply line if any dampness appears. Next, open and close the tank and inspect the tank bolts and gaskets for seepage at the tank to bowl interface. If you see drops, slightly tighten the bolts in an alternating pattern until the leak stops, or replace the rubber gasket if tightening does not help. Check the base for wax ring leaks by feeling around the bowl base after 5 to 10 flush cycles and by placing a dry sheet of cardboard around the base to catch any escaping water. If you see wet spots, the wax ring likely needs replacing, and the toilet should be lifted and reinstalled with a new ring and even pressure on the flange. Also, inspect any newly applied caulk or sealant around the base for immediate seepage by running a finger along the bead and looking for moisture beneath. Remove and reapply caulk only after confirming the wax seal is intact, because caulk will mask a continuing wax ring failure. Run several flush cycles, including a heavy flush, by filling the tank and flushing twice, while watching all 4 areas and checking the floor below with a dry towel to catch slow leaks. Finally, if leaks are intermittent or only appear under pressure, shut off the water, dry all tested areas, then pressurize and observe again. Persistent or unclear leaks warrant replacing suspect components or consulting a plumber. Common issues include a loose supply line connection that causes steady dripping, which you can stop by shutting off the water, drying the fitting, and tightening the nut while supporting the valve to avoid twisting it. Another frequent problem is an unevenly seated wax ring that allows base leaks. Solve this by removing the toilet, inspecting and replacing the wax ring with one size to the flange height, and ensuring the bowl sets straight down without rocking. A third concern is over-tightened or uneven tank bolts that crack the tank or produce hairline leaks at the gasket. Loosen the bolts, replace any damaged gasket, and tighten bolts evenly by hand, plus a small additional quarter turn each time until sealed. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find new work by listing projects and contact opportunities in our network. We also host an active discussion community where we and other members share tips, contractor experiences, and real-world troubleshooting advice.